Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick lens distortion effect. It's very quick, very simple, and you can do it on Premiere Pro. First thing we need to do is to jump into Premiere Pro. This is the clip I'm going to be using. First thing you're going to do is go to New Item and create an adjustment layer. Press OK. Drag your adjustment layer on top of your footage. What you're going to do is start from the middle of both clips, and we're going to go 6 frames to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to chop it there. And we're going to do the same and go to the right 6 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Next, we're going to go to our effects panel and we're going to type in lens distortion. There you go. We're going to drag that straight onto your clip. Make sure that your arrowhead is in the middle of both clips. You're going to go to your effects control and we're going to click curvature. And that's on 0, so I'm going to drag that all the way to the start of my clip. And then here I'm going to increase it to -80. And then we're going to go all the way to the end of the clip. Change that back to 0. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all my keyframes. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to ease out. And yes, my people, this is how you do it. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.